Hey guys, it's Courtney with the Kitchen Garden, and I'm here to talk about one of my favorite kind of gardening items. It's not a tool, but it's definitely something that you need. Whether you are raised bed gardening or doing yard work in general in flower beds, or you have a traditional row garden, or even a container garden. Gardening can get really messy, and one of the things that I love to have is a great pair of gardening boots. And I have multiple pairs of gardening boots. I wouldn't say I'm obsessed, but I do like good gardening shoes, and that ranges from Crocs in the summertime because they let in a little breeze, but they can still get wet, to I have a pair of Hunter boots that I use both when it rains and when things are really yucky in the row garden. I even have bean boots. Those things will last forever, so they're used multi-purposely. I most recently have a pair of extra tufts, which are so great because you can literally just jump into them. But recently, Hisea sent me a pair of their garden boots for me to try, for me to review for you guys. So I'm not getting paid for this promotion whatsoever. They literally just sent me the boots, and so I'm going to show you what they look like, the ones that I chose at least. And they have different styles. And so I picked a style that looks a lot like an extra tough actually, because I love the ease of slipping my feet into them to come outside and not have to worry about my feet getting wet, or if they're going to get dirty, because they're just outdoor gardening shoes. So let's open the box up and let's see what they look like. Okay, so here's the box. Probably shouldn't show you my address, just in case. Okay, they came pretty quickly, so I got to pick out whatever style I wanted. And like I said, they have multiple styles, some that come further up the calf, and then some that were just ankle height. So I chose some that looked a lot like an extra tough. If you're not familiar with what an extra tough looks like, let me take my shoe off and I'll show you. So this is an extra tough. Yes, I have rather large feet, and that's okay. So these are actually a little big, but they worked out really well. Totally got them on sale, because they can be a pretty pricey shoe, but they've held up super well. So I've had these for about a year, and can't complain. But I was interested to see if the Hisea is just as comfortable and nice. So let's see if we can get into the box. I used to just garden in an old pair of tennis shoes, and that's totally fine. Like, use what you have. I'm all about being resourceful, but my feet would get really wet, especially if it had rained the day before, something like that. So it's so nice to have a waterproof shoe that you can garden in. And bonus, something that, again, this will be the third time I've said it, that you can literally slip your foot into, okay? Because I inevitably have to go in and out of the house to manage children and things like that. So it's so nice to be able to like slip my shoe in and keep going. All right, let's take a look inside this box. All right, so here's inside the box. Okay, oh, they are pretty. Check it out. So very similar to what I've got on, except extra tab up front. I only have a tab in the back with my extra tufts. Okay, it's a nice kind of pliable material. I do like the feel of this. The liner on the inside. Those look really good. Let's check out the bottom. Yeah, it's a nice grip. So my husband wears something super similar for being on the boat, and because they tend not to slip when they get wet, which is so great out here in the garden as well. So I think they look really nice. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so I got a lifetime warranty. You can sign up for a 100-year lifetime warranty. Okay, stay warm and dry. I like it. I like it. Okay. And then, yeah. These look really good. Okay. So let's take the test. Let's actually put these bad boys on. All right. So let's try them on and see. These are probably sized a little better than my extra. Oh, the extra tough does have a ring up. Gosh, y'all had never noticed that. Okay. Let's try it. It rained a little last night, so this is a perfect day. Slides right in. Very nice. Very nice. Let's try this one. What do you think? Let's try using them a little bit. Let's walk around the yard a touch and see how we like them. Okay, so I think they feel pretty good. They actually fit better than my Extra Tufts. They were a little big, much like Extra Tufts High Cs. I don't think they came in half sizes, so I sized down a little bit and they actually fit much better. I feel like there's a bit more support on my foot, and the price point is actually a lot better as well. So I'll update in about a week or so. I'll use them out in the yard. I got to put a load of compost out in the row garden, so I'll let you guys know how they hold up to that. And the other great thing about these types of shoes is that they are very easy just to wash off with a garden hose. So again, you don't have to worry about your old tennis shoes. They get wet, they kind of soak up moisture, and then you have to let them dry. You don't have to worry about that with these kind of gardening shoes. You can literally hose them off and not have to worry about your feet being wet or not being able to use them for a few hours because they're waterproof. So yeah, I'll check back in about a week and let you guys know what I think about these Hisea gardening boots. Thanks. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of weeks that I've had these, and I have decided that I really do love them. They are a bit different than my Extra Tufts. They are cheaper than the Extra Tufts, and this neoprene liner on the inside is a bit different, and I really love it. I really enjoy it. It actually snugs to the ankle a little bit better, so they've been so great in the garden, especially if we've been preparing for winter and winterizing everything. So these are definitely going to become a new favorite garden shoe, and they're super affordable, and they have a lifetime warranty, so you can't really beat that. So I'm not going to check them out. You can find them on Amazon or on hisea.com. Again, I was not paid for this promotion, but they did send me the boots, so go get you some. Thanks, guys.